Okay everyone, so now it's time for exercise 18. So here you can see for this questions, it gives you the figures. And first of all, it tells you that, okay, CAE is a straight line, alright? And the question asks you to write down the pairs of similar triangle and also give the regions. Alright, so if you have watched my previous videos, I taught you that, okay, if we want to find the similar triangles, so we have two, okay, so we have some regions, okay. For example, for the similar triangle, it have three corresponding angles, okay. That means the corresponding angles are equals, and also for the similar triangles, the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, the corresponding sides are proportional. And here you can see for this figure, because these figures do not tell you any angle, so we cannot use the region that is AAA. All right, we cannot use the region that is AAA. All right. 即係話，因為咧佢冇俾咗任何嘅角度你，所以你唔可以用翻呢一個 AA 嘅方法啦。Alright, so in these terms, you can see the figures give you difference, the size, okay, the length of the size, okay. And now I want you to look at these two triangles. First of all, this one, triangle DAE, and also triangle DCE. Okay, for these two triangle, and in this terms we want to find out the corresponding size of these two triangle. And as I taught you before, first things you can use you can find the longest size of each triangle. Find the longest size of each triangle. 你可以揾咗呢一個兩個三角入邊咧最長嗰條邊嘅。Okay, so first I can see DE. Alright, DE is the longest one for the red. Okay, red triangle, and for AE. Okay, AE is the longest size for the yellow triangle. Alright, and also. And seconds, okay, we can find the shortest one, okay, the shortest side. For the red triangle, the shortest side should be AE. Sorry, for the previous one, it should be CE, okay. That is the longest side for the yellow triangle. And for the shortest side of the red triangle, that should be AE, alright, AE. And the shortest side for the yellow triangle should be DE. Okay, and for the others side should be DA. Okay, DA, and then that corresponds to, okay, let me see, that should corresponding to DC. Okay, so DC. So now we try to substitute, okay, the value into it. Okay, for example, DE is equals to 6 divided by CE. CE is equals to 16 plus 2, and also AE equals to 2. DE is 6. And how about DA? DA is equals to 4.5, and DC is equals to 13.5. And we try to find out the value, okay, of their ratio. And 6 divided by 18 should be equals to 1 over 3, and 2 over 6 equals to 1 over 3, and 4.5 over 13.5 equals to 1 over 3. Okay, so here you know that, okay, for the ratios of its corresponding side, they equals to each other. Alright, they equals to each other. So in this terms, that means DE over CE equals to AE over DE equals to DA over DC. Okay, so which means that, okay, the three sides proportional. That means three sides proportional. So in these terms, we know that, okay, first of all, we write down yes. Okay, we don't write down the yes. Okay, it's okay. Just write down triangle AED. Okay, triangle AED is similar to triangle DEC. Okay, is similar to triangle DEC, and because the corresponding size of AE is DE. Okay, the corresponding side. Okay, here you can see the corresponding size of AE should be DE. So I put DE first, and then the corresponding angles for D should be for ADE should be what? Okay, let me see. Should be DCE. Okay, should be DCE. All right. So now we try to write down the region. The region should be 3 sides proportional. Okay, 3 sides proportional. So now you can see for this question, we use the 3 sides proportional for this region to find out the similar triangle. Okay, so that's all for exercise 18. Okay, so everyone give me your fist.